hope you all are doing well. So if you have not subscribed my channel, please hit the red button. Also click on the bell icon so that every time I post a video, you get the notification. And for all other updates, you can follow me on my Instagram channel. The link for that is in the description box below. Today we are going to learn about some common phrases which we can use in our daily life, of course in German. So the first one is, we usually say this a lot in English, like personally I guess I use it approximately 10 or 20 times in a day. So the first phrase is, entschuldigen Sie bitte. Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Excuse me please. Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Make sure that you're using entschuldigen Sie bitte for formal, not for informal. For informal, we can say Entschuldigung bitte. Entschuldigung bitte. Just simple. Entschuldigung bitte. No Sie and du. Just simple you can say. Excuse me please. Entschuldigung bitte for informal. And for formal, Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Entschuldigen Sie bitte. Next. It's very important to learn how to say yes, no and maybe. So it's ja, ja. Do remember, J in German is pronounced as J. J. So the sound is of Y. Okay, Y. So if we say ja, we will write it as ja. Like I'm pronouncing this ja in English, not in German. It's ja. Yes, ja, yes, nein, no, nein, like the 9 letter, nein, no, vielleicht, vielleicht, maybe, vielleicht, okay, so it's ja, nein, vielleicht. Next is absolut. Absolut. It means absolutely. Absolut. Absolutely. Then we have how to say all right in German. In Ordnung. In Ordnung. All right. In Ordnung. For awesome, we say toll. Toll. Oder super. Toll. Oder or super. We use this word for moments like great, awesome. We say sorry a lot. Like for every little thing, we tend to say, oh, I'm sorry, oh, sorry. So let's learn how to say I'm sorry in German. Es tut mir leid. Es tut mir leid. I'm sorry. Es tut mir leid. Ich verstehe nicht. I do not understand. Ich verstehe nicht. Ich verstehe nicht. I don't understand. Or if you want to say I don't know, you can say ich weiß nicht. Ich weiß nicht. I don't know. Ich weiß nicht. Or you can say keine Ahnung. No idea. Keine Ahnung. For I don't know, you can say ich weiß nicht oder keine Ahnung. Keine Ahnung. Ich weiß nicht. And the last common phrase which we use a lot, especially people who work or study or remain busy throughout the day. Ich bin müde. Ich bin müde. I'm tired. Ich bin müde. I'm tired. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and I really hope if you're learning this language, you will use these words in your life so that your language gets better. So stay safe, take care. Till then, cheers.